Good morning! The sun is up and it's daytime. During the day, we study, play, and do many fun things. Look! Daylight helps us see clearly everywhere. Afternoon is perfect for outdoor play! When the sky turns orange, it means evening is coming. At night, the sky becomes dark and filled with stars. Good night, friends. See you in the morning. Today is sunny. The sky looks bright and blue. Sunny weather is great for drying clothes and playing outside. When it's cloudy, the sky looks gray and the sun hides. Uh-oh, rain is falling. Let's stay dry. When it rains, we can read, draw, or rest at home. Sometimes rain becomes heavy. Stay safe and don't play outside. Look! A rainbow! It appears after rain and sunlight meet. In Indonesia, we have 2 seasons. Dry season and rainy season. Dry season is hot and sunny most days. We can fly kites and dry crops during dry season. When rainy season comes, the sky turns dark and windy. There's lots of rain. Don't forget your raincoat and umbrella. Rain helps plants grow and keeps nature fresh. Day or night, rain or shine, let's enjoy our beautiful world.